Welcome to Smart Beauty Buyer, the channel where all the girls who love looking amazing and shopping smart stay up to date with the best beauty options, trends, and innovations. We help you pick products that are truly worth it, comparing quality, price, and real results, so you can make smart decisions without regrets. To kick off 2026, I'm bringing you a top 5 of the best hair straighteners, the most popular, innovative, and trending right now. All products and links are in the description and pinned comment, so you won't miss a thing. Ready to take your hair routine to the next level and get salon-quality results right at home? This hair straightener is designed to give you power, control, and care all in one. It heats up to 450 degrees, perfect for taming even the thickest or most stubborn hair, while giving you total control thanks to its digital display, so you always know the exact temperature you're working with. Its advanced ceramic plates distribute heat evenly, delivering a faster, smoother, frizz-free style without pulling or damaging your hair. Plus, the plates are infused with argan oil and keratin, leaving your hair looking shiny, silky, and healthy from the very first pass. And because every style is different, you can choose between 2 sizes. The 1-inch plates are perfect for creating waves, curls, and defined styles with precision. The 2-inch plates are ideal if you have thick or long hair and want to straighten more strands in less time. With this straightener, you don't just smooth your hair, you care for it, control it, and style it your way every single day. This Chi Lava Glide hairstyling iron, a powerful styling tool that combines advanced materials with professional performance. It features fast-heating ceramic plates that reach up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can style even thick or stubborn hair quickly and efficiently. With this high heat capability, you can smooth and straighten with fewer passes, saving you time and reducing heat exposure. This straightener uses a unique volcanic lava plus ceramic construction designed to conduct heat evenly and consistently, which means no hot spots that can damage your hair. Instead, you'll get a smooth, frizz-free finish with long-lasting shine. The ergonomic design makes styling comfortable and easy, giving you better control so you can glide through your hair with pulling or snagging. Whether you're creating a sleek, straight look or adding subtle bends and waves, this tool adapts to your styling needs. With professional-grade performance, even heat distribution, and a design built for smooth, shiny results, this straightener helps you achieve hair that looks polished, healthy, and styled just the way you want it. Infra-ionic ceramic flat iron, designed for smooth, shiny results with less heat damage. Featuring wide 2-inch tourmaline ceramic plates, this straightener heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, so you can style larger sections in fewer passes, saving you time while reducing frizz and flyaways. The ceramic and tourmaline combo helps lock in moisture and enhance shine for hair that looks healthy and polished. Powered by advanced infrared technology, it gently heats your hair from the inside out, helping minimize damage while smoothing and sealing the cuticle for a sleek, long-lasting finish. Plus, built-in multi-temperature control lets you choose the perfect heat setting based on your hair type and texture. With a 360-degree swivel cord, styling is effortless and comfortable, whether you're creating pin-straight looks or soft waves. This flat iron isn't just a tool, it's a complete styling upgrade that helps your hair feel smoother, look shinier, and stay frizz-free day after day. Transform your routine with this professional-inspired flat iron, the perfect match for all hair types and styles. The Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Hair Straightener. This flat iron features ultra-smooth nano titanium plates that heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly, allowing the iron to glide effortlessly through the hair. This helps reduce frizz, minimize damage, and enhance natural shine with every pass. The extra-long 5-inch plates are designed for faster straightening, letting you cover larger sections of hair in less time. That means fewer passes, less heat exposure, and more efficient styling, especially for long, thick, or textured hair. With adjustable heat settings that reach up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize the temperature to match your hair type, from fine and delicate to thick and stubborn. Its ultra-thin, lightweight design provides comfort and control, making it easy to create sleek, straight styles or soft, smooth waves. Built for all hair types, this professional flat iron delivers long-lasting, salon-quality results every time. GHD Platinum Plus Styler, a professional ceramic flat iron engineered for smarter styling and healthier results. This high-end flat iron uses predictive heat technology that adjusts and monitors heat up to 250 times per second, keeping the styling surface at the optimal temperature of around 365 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for smoothing hair without extreme heat damage. The result? Stronger hair, more shine, and better color protection. With this smart temperature control, you can style with confidence, knowing your strands are cared for while you shape them. Its ergonomic and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold, whether you're straightening, curling, or creating soft waves. The smooth ceramic plates glide effortlessly through your hair, reducing frizz and leaving a polished finish that lasts all day. Perfect for everyday styling or special occasions, the GHD Platinum Plus Styler delivers consistent, professional performance that keeps your hair looking healthier, shinier, and beautifully styled with every use. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!